Finally, the Z Fold 4 spotted online for sale. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 spotted online on the biggest e-commerce website, Amazon, and the pre-orders are also confirmed for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. We're not too far away from Z Fold 4 launch as August 10th will be its release date along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds, and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 leaks are speeding up as we are getting closer to the launch. First it was cases, then S Pen support, and now the phone actually spotted on Amazon. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys excited about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? And are you guys interested in new S Pen case? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 spotted on Amazon Netherlands with two variants. The Z Fold 4 will come with 256 gigs of storage with 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage with 12 gigs of RAM. No 16 gigs version is available. And this is now clear, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will not come with the 128 gigs version or 1TB version, at least in European market. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will be smaller than the Z Fold 3 and also a bit wider and lightweight compared to the Z Fold 3. The Z Fold 4 will weigh around 263 grams whereas Z Fold 3 was at 271 grams. But previous rumors were wrong about Z Fold 4 weight around 254 grams. The S Pen on the Z Fold 4 will remain the same as Z Fold 3, but this time you guys can get a matching S Pen and a matching case for the Z Fold 4. The pre-orders of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is also confirmed. Samsung will start pre-orders for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 on August 10th, the same day of its launch. And the time span for the Z Fold 4 pre-orders is around 15 days till 25th of August, and after that it will launch in the market. Let's just hope that Samsung will not face any chip shortage issue with the Z Fold 4 like the S22 Ultra. The reservation for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is also started and you can actually trade off your old phone with the Z Fold 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with 6.2 inches outer display and 7.6 inches inner display. The aspect ratios are 23:1:9 and 21:6:18. Both displays come with the dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. The inner display will also comes with the UDC under display camera, which will just like the same as Z Fold 3. The photos were shared as for multitasking of a Z Fold 4 as Samsung target this device through the power user, those who needs a capable machine. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys excited about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? And are you guys interested in the new S Pen case? I'll see you next time, till then, peace out!